Chances are that you've seen a class that looks something like this. Something pretty straightforward where you're just storing a few different values, and maybe you have something like an equal method and a repr method. Now what if I told you there was a way that we could eliminate writing all of these different methods and write this class in only 4 lines of code? So let's dive into data classes. But first, let's just run this code so we can get a look at what the output is and then compare it to when we use a Python data class. And you'll see that when I run the code here, we get our first point, our second point, and then the fact that these points are not equivalent because their x and y values are different. So now I'm going to write this class using a data class. You'll get a sense of how that works and you'll see the difference. So there we are, we now have the exact same program. It does the same thing you saw before, and this class has the exact same functionality. So let's run the code just to make sure this is indeed working, and you can see we get the exact same output we got before, but this time we didn't need to write any of that boilerplate code like defining the initialization, the repr method, and the equal method.